Good morning, second graders. We're going to do a drawing of a person sleeping in a blanket. Let me show you some examples first. There's a girl sleeping underneath her big blanket with her pillow. And these are all done by second graders. Here's another girl sleeping on her blanket with her toys and puppies. You can see a kitty cat sleeping with her. You could put a cabinet in the background. Here's by a boy sleeping in his blanket. And you'll notice that we're going to put in all kinds of different designs, all about lines. So we're going to use a variety of lines to decorate your blanket with. We'll start off with making the design checkerboard, big designs with our blanket. And then we're going to then put a big half circle here for the sleeping person. It could be you, or it could be somebody else in your family. That's okay. All right, so we're going to start with your paper vertically, not horizontally, up and down vertically. Then we're going to use your markers, and of course those are my markers. You can use black if you want to, or you can use blue if you want to. What may not work very good is yellow. Don't use yellow because it's so light you can't even see your drawing. All right, so I'm going to pick brown and put my lid on the back, and I'm going to put my finger in the middle. Now I'm going to scoot it up, one, scoot, twice, and put a dot right where my finger is. All right, we're going to start with the horizontal line. So the horizontal line goes from one end of your paper, and I'm going to touch the dot and go across to the other side. All right, now I have room for two more horizontal lines, just like that one. So I'm going to put 1 and 2. And then maybe you have room for 3. I don't know. It depends on how these go, but don't put 10. So I'm going to put one more line down here and make it 3. That's okay. Now we're going to do vertical lines that go up and down. So we're going to go and put one line here and one line here, vertical lines. Again, if you have room for another one, you can. Now we're going to put the head. I'm going to jump, kind of like a rainbow jump over, and that will be the head of the sleeping person. So now we can start decorating. That was the hardest part. So here we go. We're going to put some sleepy eyes and a nice smiley mouth for sleeping. And we're going to put the eyelashes here. Then we're going to put some ears. And then we can put some hair. So you can put like this for a boy, make it short hair if you want to, or you can make it long for a girl's hair. That's okay. So you can put yourself sleeping or your sister, somebody. And here comes the pillow, up, over, and down. Here comes the pillow, and we're going to ready to put our fancy lines in here. Now, one of the lines we already talked about, vertical. Let's do vertical stripes. There's vertical stripes right like this. Easy peasy. Then we also did horizontal lines. So I can change my marker anytime. So what if I want blue now? Yeah, I can make horizontal lines using my blue marker. Beautiful. All right, then I can do green, and I'm going to put zigzag lines on this one. How easy is that? And do you see how it repeats? That's pattern, okay? So I am putting repeated lines on my project. Now let's see. I like green so much, I'm going to use it again. Wavy lines. When it's curvy, like those, these are called wavy lines. So I'm going to put wavy lines right on top. All right, let's say I want to use red now. And I'm going to do diagonal lines. Those are the slanted ones. You see how I did diagonal? I like diagonals. And then, let's see. I think I'll use my black marker and do dotted lines. These are lines that look like little tiny dots. And I go up and down, not polka dots. It has to be in a line like this. So if I can go around the corner, that'll be okay like this. That's a line with dots. Then we have a thick line here. When I tip my marker down, it makes a thick line. When I hold it up like this, it makes a thin line. Thin, thick, thin, thick. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh, that's really getting good. I'm running out of ideas over here. I think there's a broken line too. Don't forget to use your broken lines. Those are like the road lines. It could be hair. These are all broken lines. Remember your sun and it had broken lines around it? You can do that too. And over here will be a rough line. Rough. Just like this. All right, you can do that kind of line too. Let's say, Miss Story, I ran out of ideas down here. Well, you can repeat whatever you see up there. You can repeat it. I'm going to now decorate my pillow with curvy lines. You can put hearts on your pillowcase. Wow. You can put polka dot sheets, just a little bit or a lot. Now look how beautiful it looks. Wow, we're ready to color. Of course, you're going to color in with your crayons now. Take your crayons and start coloring in. It's like, Miss Story's going to take forever if I just do it like each one. Well, guess what? The crayons are so soft that it can go right on top of your picture. Is that nice? That doesn't mean the whole thing is orange. Just color in a whole section. The more colors you use, the more beautiful your picture is going to turn out. All right. So you got to color in the whole thing so it looks all finished. I'll show you some finished ones. That is completely finished. Okay. Now, when I show you this one, is this finished? No, because there's missing some crayons in here and missing some crayons in here. So that's the difference between a good grade and a number 4, A++. This will be an A, but this will be A++ because it's all completely done. So good luck. You can put your animals in here. You can put toys and whatever decorations you want. Stars. You can put those Z's. Right, for sleeping. Right there's the Z's. So good luck with this and do the best you can. All right. And see you later, alligator. Bye.